Hi guys, today I'll be reviewing the Copenhagen Grooming Kit, and what it does is help stimulate the growth on the hair and on the beard to make it look full and thick. As you can tell, I have gaps. Now obviously let's get rid. So we have the Copenhagen Grooming Roller. It's absolutely amazing quality. You spray the sanitizer onto the grooming roller, 1 and 2 splashes, and then you just gently roll onto your beard.
My life be like, yeah. My life be like.
Already I can feel a massive change in my beard. I feel like my pores opening up. Last but not least, the activation serum. Grab that, and then you spray twice, rub into your hands, and then into your beard. Wow, feels nice and fresh. Can feel how smooth my beard is as well. So that's the grooming kit by Copenhagen. It's absolutely amazing, works wonders for your beard. Not only that, it makes it feel soft and it fills out these missing gaps gradually as time goes on, the more you use it. It's absolutely brilliant. Stimulates hair growth on the beard. I highly recommend Copenhagen Grooming. So if you can please check their social media out and also their shop and just give it a try. Thank you for watching, guys. And if you'd like to give me a thumbs up and subscribe down below and also hit the bell icon, then I'll appreciate it. Thank you.